Alam mo na ba ang sagot sa trivia question? It's letter A. Sulfuric compounds ang cause ng stinging sensation sa ating mata kapag naghihiwa ng onions. Para maiwasan ito, chill the onions before chopping.
Kasama pa rin natin si Mr. Ryan Agoncillo.
Eto na, sir. Lamb.
Papasasi tayo ng konti. Gagamit tayo ng lamb.
Yeah, nakaka-impress ba talaga yan sa date pagka you order rack of lamb?
Yeah, actually it is because presentation itself parang, wow.
Impressive na
impressive.
agad.
Pero we're not using rack of lamb here.
Anong
we're using lamb loin.
Lamb loin.
So it's almost like rack of lamb, pero wala, tinanggal natin
yung buto.
Okay. So that's what it is. So it's what I call this lamb loin duo.
Boneless.
Boneless siya, parang ganon. What I'm gonna do for the marinade, okay, meron tayong the long lamb loin, okay, and then what we're gonna put here, we're gonna put oregano.
Okay.
Right, so gawin natin, we have the oregano, then we're gonna put salt, gotta season both sides.
Bakit yung oregano one side lang? Okay.
No, because I'm gonna rub it later.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have mustard. And then I'm gonna put olive oil, a little bit lang. Yeah, a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna rub it in.
Yun, no?
Yan. So parang
mamasahihin mo.
Mamasahihin natin siya. Alright, para mas maganda yung presentation niya, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it a little bit. As you can see here. And then we got a kitchen twine. Yan. So gagawin natin here, we're just gonna tie it. Tie one side. But you don't wanna put it too tight.
Bakit?
Kasi parang nasi-squeeze masyadong meat.
Okay.
Hindi siya makakahinga. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, bago siya, no? Nakalimutan ko. We gotta heat this pan. What I'm using here is stainless steel pan. Gagawin natin, meron tayo dito olive oil.
Okay.
Okay. Yan. Konti lang. Pag mainit na yung pan natin, what we're gonna do is, you want it to sizzle. What you wanna do is you wanna brown all sides first.
Okay.
Alright?
So just like cooking a hot dog?
Yeah. Once na nag-brown yung all sides, we turn down the heat.
Okay.
Alright? Ayan, na-brown na natin yung side. While that's happening, gagawa na naman tayo ng sauce niya. Unang sauce niya. So, ang gagawin na muna natin, yung ating lemon mint sauce. So, ang gagawin muna natin dito sa mint, gagawin natin, chop natin siya. So, we have the chopped mint, sugar, lemon, and then water.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is about a cup of sugar, and then we got water. So, almost the same. Almost a cup. Yan.
That's a big cup.
Yep. Kaya a lot. Yan. So, papakuluan lang natin siya.
Okay.
Lalagyan na natin yung mint. Dito, mimix lang natin yung ating mint sauce. Yan. We got here a grater.
So, balat na naman ng lemon?
Balat ng lemon. So, I'm gonna do, yan. Just gonna, kailangan kunin lang natin yung white part. Okay, once you got the rind, cut naman natin siya. Kunin naman natin.
Squeeze it in?
Squeeze it in. Then we got the lemon juice. Ang gawin lang natin, reduce lang natin siya.
Okay.
You gotta reduce it.
Pampalapot.
Pampalapot. At saka yung flavor niya, mas maging intense.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, tanggalin na natin siya sa pan. You know, I got what yung doneness na gusto ko. Tanggalin natin siya sa pan. What I want to do is rest it for a while. So, yan. Meron na tayo dito. This is the drippings.
Okay.
So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna deglaze the pan muna. Kunin ko to. We got stock to, beef stock.
Beef stock. Okay.
So, concentrated na yan. What we're gonna do, yan. Take it all off. What time strainer, and just get that thing.
Yun, no?
Woo. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin to, mix it in. Yan.
Wow.
That's beef stock right there.
Uh-huh.
Now, I want to put next, para maging tarragon sauce siya, is a tarragon. This is roux. Kuha lang tayong konti.
Wow.
As soon as you do it, it's gonna thicken. But the next thing we're gonna have to do, we have salt and pepper.
To season it na.
Season it. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagyan pa natin ng beef stock.
Uy, smell goods.
The next thing we gotta do, ito, we got couscous.
Yung sinasabi kong kanin lamig.
Itong couscous, daning labig. What I did, pinakuluan ko muna yung tubig. Actually, this is cooked already. After pinakuloan ko yung tubig, nilagay ko dun sa couscous.
Okay.
And then you're gonna see it's gonna bloom. What I'm gonna do before yung kailangan mag-plate, kasi parang ayaw mo naman magkaroon ng parang strings na nakakain, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin, yung ito, we got 2 cuts. 1, 2. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, para mas maganda yung plating, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, direct. Yan. Then, yan. Actually, then, what am I gonna do? Meron tayo dito. It's adventure, man. Got this one. Don't cover the meat. Then, got the mint sauce. This side. No. Alright, clean it up. Lamb duo. Right there. So, mamaya sinin nyo na ulit. So, yan. Sa pagbabalik ka ng katok, lutong barkada.
Mga kaibigan, meron naman akong bagong date. Si Jill, lumaki na. Naging siya si Darwisa from Asian School of Arts and Sciences. And she's gonna help me check out kung gaano kasarap itong ginawa ni Chef Jonah na lamb loin duo. Okay. Pwede naman sa ito, no? Lamb, tupa. Okay. Say, Big mouth. Sige. Yon. Sige, Darwisa, titikman ko. Sarap. Ayaw mo subukan yung mint sauce? Ayaw mo na. O, sige, huwag ka matakot. May load ka na ba? Doon ako sa tarragon sauce. But, Chef Jonah, congratulations. You've made me eat lamb once again. So, really good, really good.